Hello, thank you for watching this video. In this series of videos, I'm gonna explain basic grammar topics from Japanese textbook called Genki. So today I'm gonna explain pronouns これ、それ、あれ、どれ. This is from lesson 2, first topic from Genki textbook 1. So let's get started. これ、それ、あれ、どれ. これ is used when you mention something close to you or speaker. So これ means like this in English. それ is used to mention something close to the person you are talking, so listener. So それ means like that in English. And there is another pronoun あれ. あれ is used something neither close to the speaker nor listener. So あれ also means that in English. But there are two pronouns それ and あれ in Japanese, and both means that in English. Let's check an example. これは私の本です。これは私の本です。So she's holding a book and said this. And do you remember 本? 本 is a book. So she's holding the book, so it's obviously close to the speaker. So she uses これ. これは私の本です. So this sentence means this is my book. So the boy said それは私の本です. それは私の本です. So this time the book is close to the listener, so he uses それ. それは私の本です. So it means that is my book. Okay. How about this situation? So there are two people standing a bit far from the book this time, and she said あれは私の本です. あれは私の本です. So book is not close to the speaker or listener this time, so she uses あれ. あれは私の本です. So it means that is my book. Okay, the last pronoun is どれ. どれ. どれ is actually a question word, means which. So どれですか? So which one? So here's a sentence, example sentence. どれがあなたのペンですか? どれがあなたのペンですか? So どれ is a question word which, and because this is a question sentence, it has question particle か. So if you put か at the end of the sentence, it makes a question sentence. So when you use question word like どれ, the particle here changes to が from は. So どれがあなたのペンですか? So you can't say どれはあなたのペンですか? So please be careful, you should say どれがあなたのペンですか? This sentence means which is your pen. Okay, that's it. So if you have the Genki textbook, I recommend to read this section because it has more detailed explanation. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.